Hello, I'm Michael from Caraok EV Charger Factory. DP is AC Wallbox type EV charger. It is easy to install on walls or column, and it mainly supports several types charging methods: plug and charge, swipe card charge, and app charging. DP has gone through a series of rigorous tests, including waterproof test, leakage protection test, etc. DP is with power of 7 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, 22 kilowatts, supports Type 1, Type 2, GBT, suitable for home use. High quality products come from high standard production processes. Caraok EV Charger production has very strict rules and standards, from incoming quality control to production process. We not only test the EV charger main machine, but also the charging gun to ensure that every EV charger leaving the factory is of reliable quality. At the same time, all EV chargers of Caraok must undergo a strict aging test for 2 hours, and the start and end time of each EV charger must be recorded. Caraok, new energy EV charging pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry. Your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.